But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know it's your girl D, and today's video is gonna be another banger. Bam 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 bam. Knock it gang gang. So una kude. I send me that for sure this year. Gotta get bump on all them niceness day, yeah. So anyways guys, good morning. I hope that you guys are having a blessed day. Mom! Rascal dog I remember. Move like a shit. What the fucking people there? People two dog ran out family kwa that fall. If I two dog ran out family people nearly kill. Yeah guys, so as you can see, my vlog was cut short and then I'm not feeling myself and I have to finish the video, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys. I couldn't hear it in my voice, but I'm feeling a little bit sick right now, so I'm just gonna be finishing the video right here right now. Anyways, so this morning's when I started the video, as you can see previously I posted a few of my best comments, my favorite comments, and I was giving those persons a shout out also. So sorry guys, big up to all those people that said those very nice things about me. I really appreciate them. Respect, you know. I'm enjoy and love everything one I had to say. Also, people, the dog run me down. The dog them run me trust and believe me. If they never stop the video, you know that listen, if they never stop the video, the dog them would have bet me up, cause I walk on a video like me I talk to now. The dog them just run out for me, dog just run up for me. When that them run out for me, I try to run, but I can't run because I have a phone in my bag. I start lick after them with the bag. I start lick after Jesus. Savior, mercy, Jesus, listen. I know I'm going to recover. I can't bother. But anyways, guys, that was just like a commercial break and the thing when I don't know how the choppings go. Alright, so I'm going to want that joke now. I don't know if I'm going to find it funny, but me did find this extremely funny when I heard. So I have a cousin, right? I'm going to call my cousin X and I'm going to call her son Y. So my cousin named X, she has two sons. A big one and one, my daughter Ariana's age. Now her son that is Ariana's age, he has his own room. Both of her sons have their own room. But you know what say, the little one at Ariana age, when you wake up at morning time, we're going to mother bed go lie down and ting. So when you go to mother bed go lie down and ting, now you know say mother will wake up and talk to him and them look weird. So it's like she lie down like oh me lie down right now and him lie down the other way. So it's like the both of them are face each other face to face. So when his mother wake up now and the little boy lie down in front of his mother, you know, his mother turn to the little boy and say, "Good morning, why? Nice and bright and polite in the morning, feeling say everything alright with she and her son. Papa Jesus lick my neck back and I need my foot bottom come back up and kill me dead." You don't know what say? The little boy turn to his mother and say, "Stop talking on my face with a thinking mode." People, no. When me hear me did pop up, me laugh until me cry. Every time I talk it, me laugh until me cry, honestly. Imagine like you wake up in the morning and you talk to your baby, your little son, and him will tell you say you must stop talking in a film face with your thinking mode. Stop it talking in a me face with your thinking mode. 1 3-year-old picking your look for you and tell you that. You might look for you and tell you that. You're not supposed to feel that way. So we hear from my country she know. And the truth isn't it? True, me just wake up and I say me have morning breath, so you know say it is a lick smell for true. I say I laugh till I bleed. Me laugh until me cry. I don't know if it's gonna make me laugh, but I'm just giving you guys a little joke. Anyways, what I really wanted to talk to you guys about, it's not gonna happen today. So I'm just gonna give you guys a few pointers, alright? Okay, pointer number 1. Desperation is different from determination. I wanted to say that desperation is different from determination. Desperation, and when you go under other people's video and you post your link, period, every single day you post your link, or you do them little foolishness there, and you're like, oh, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Determination, however, is when you try to shoot out. You must have one and two, somebody run your way. Them say you will want to make YouTube, and you know say you will want to make YouTube, and you link that one to somebody there and say, send me $120 or whatever, and you run like a promotion on your page. You post up your page by your story. Like, you have to be consistent. You have to be constantly posting. If you are not constantly posting, then it makes no sense you continue down this path, because consistency is key. And I don't know how many more times I have to tell you guys this. Consistency is key. And if you're not consistent, then your subscribers will not be consistent. You have some subscribers that are with you 100%. As you post, they will watch your stuff. Then you have some, they will subscribe and they will forget you. You understand? And that is why you have to be determined, because you are going to be discouraged by this, guys. Do not take it simple. Do not take it lightly. You will get discouraged. This is how the world is. This is how people are. This is how we are set up. Today we get up and we feel like superhuman beings, and tomorrow we get up and we feel like we're the worst. We're the bottom of the barrel. But you have to hold on. I see comments underneath my videos that would make me stop YouTube. Somebody commented just now underneath my video and said, her accent makes her videos boring. The person say her accent makes her video boring. No, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to change up my accent to make you happy? You're not the only person watching my channel. I have lots of persons watching my channel. Well, probably not a lot of persons watching my channel, but a lot of persons have subscribed thus far, and I'm very grateful. I'm very appreciative of all the persons that have hit the subscription button. Even though a lot of persons are probably not watching the videos, I'm still much appreciative of all of y'all. So guys, like, you cannot be so judgmental. People are gonna make mistakes. People are going to talk bad about you. People are going to make it look like say, Uno are the worst. But at the end of the day, that is when you now know that you have something to prove. Because that person is calling you a big belly jellyfish. You need to prove to them that you were never a big belly jellyfish, and you will never be a big belly jellyfish. Stop making people say get to the head and feel like so them can tear on the down and get to the down, because the man up above, he sits high, but he looks very low, and he knows each and every one of us individually. And God only gives us what we can bear, guys. I am not even talking this because I want you to hear it. I am talking this because I needed to hear this. I needed to talk to myself like this. I needed to look into me and say, D, you got this. You are stronger than you think. God does not like ugly, and God does not give you what you cannot bear. If God knows that you can part the Red Sea, God will go give you the instruments to part the Red Sea. But at the same time, God will go send waves come your way. That no means say you have to give up. God will go make you see people going in the water, try part the sea and drown. That no means say you have to give up. God will go test your faith. God are going to test your faith, because the Lord needs to know that the task that he is about to give you, you can bear, you can manage, you can pull through. You understand? It is ridiculously stupid for people to try to do something, and the only thing where Uno can do is be negative and pull down people. It is very unfair, and you guys need to stop it, because at the end of the day, Uno mash up people's self-esteem. But this is not for the weak people. This is for the people that are strong, the people that will know that, listen, you try tear me down, but because you try tear me down, me, I go show you say me got this. Because you try tear me down, I'm gonna show you that I got this. I'm gonna show you that I am bigger. I am bigger than your words. I am bigger than your thoughts. I am bigger than your lip. I am bigger than your brain. I am bigger than you. Not because you tell me, say, me not gonna make it in a life, means say, me not gonna make it in a life. You are wrong. You were wrong. You've been wrong. And I'm gonna prove to you that I am a survivor. I am a survivor. Me strong. I am a strong individual and I will overcome. When I no shoot out one rock stone in my way, if me have to buck me toe upon it, if pass over it, I'm gonna buck my toe. Because I'm gonna buck my toe, I'm gonna stitch my toe up if it needs stitching. I'm gonna wipe up the blood. I'm gonna get 2 band-aids. And then I am gonna find the strength to jump over that stone. Remember, you might try and you fail. But that don't mean say you have to give up. That does not mean say you have to give up. Life is not about what other people want. Life is not about what other people want. Life is not about other people coming to you and tell you that you are less than who you are. And you sit down and you believe. You have to be strong for you. You have to be strong for you. You have to shoot out for you. The only way you are going to make it is if you believe in yourself. You have to look into you and say, Jesus, if this was not for me, you would not put it across my mind and tell me that I can. Stop telling yourself I won't because that person don't like it. Stop telling yourself I can't because that person won't accept it. Stop telling yourself you can't because Jesus does not like hearing I cannot. Jesus wants to hear, I am going to. I am able to do the impossible. I am able to push out. I am able to pull through. And I am going to overcome whatever obstacles are placed in my way. Never you sit down and doubt who you are. Never, ever, ever you sit down and doubt who you are. It is not fear. It is not fear. Any day, you sit down and start questioning your motives. That will be the day when you will be doomed. You will be doomed. Because you are trying to not be who you were meant to be. You are trying too hard to please people. Sometimes you have to lose to win. Sometimes you have to lose to win. Sometimes you have to go through hell and come back. And when you come back, because you've been through hell, you now know where to step and where not to step. You know what to say and what not to say. You know who to speak with and who not to speak with. Do not call yourself a base. The onus is on you. The onus is on you to shoot out for yourself. If you sit down there and you try, but you don't push out, you can never say you're an artist and you don't get up and share your music. Sharing your music is one. People reposting it is two. But there is a big but. And this is another thing that happens to a lot of us. We share our things to people that we think have our backs. And when they don't repost it, we feel like failures. We feel like failures. But I should remind you people that when this happens, these people are the people that will run up and down and say, oh, that is my friend. I knew this day was coming. I knew he had it in him. But when I sent you my link, you never posted it. And you were the reason why I went to the bridge. I was about to jump. I was about to give up. But because you did not believe in me, I never gave up. I used you as a stepping stool. Praise God. I used you as a stepping stone. I made the fact that you hated me, that you doubted everything I do to try to get where I am. You say that there was a motive behind it when there never was. You pull me down 24/7 because I thought you had my back. and you never did. You made me feel like I could never make it. You made me feel like I would never make it. But I'm here today. And guys, I am trying to tell you people that do not give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams. God is God and God is good. God is very, 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 very good. And if you put your trust and your belief in Jesus and you tell yourself, say, I want this. Bud up yourself, lick yourself in your chest and say, Mama, I that them me want and I that them me a go for and I that them me a go get. Me done with saying me want things and I get up and try go get it for myself. When I say that I'm gonna do, I am gonna do. If I fail, I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna frown, I'm gonna feel like a total failure. But because I failed, I will now know where to put my foot. I will now know how to plant my seed and water it and make it grow. I will survive. Tell yourself, say, I will survive. I am a survivor. I am a survivor. You might not like me. You might not like the way I do things. You might not like the way I look. You may not like the way I dress. But remember, my life is mine. Your life is yours. And you are going to be sitting there thinking about me, worrying about how I bring myself, not making your life better. When the way I bring me is how I'm going to overthrow you in life, because I'm going to bring me how I bring me. You watching me, not knowing that I'm actually making moves and I'm getting things done. And you're hating me, feeling that your hate will tear me down. Stop make hate bring on you down. Use hate as motivation, people. Use hate as motivation. Me I do that video with a heavy, heavy heart because enough of uno a tear me down. Enough of uno a talk, but enough of uno a do things. Enough of uno a bring news. Enough of uno a try make me look like I'm less of a mother. Enough of uno a try make me look like I'm less of a friend. Enough of uno make me look like I'm a big, that word there, and me not deserve to be happy and me not deserve to be comfortable, but me they are so fi tell uno say, and after me say this, me don't talk to uno, you know. Me the right yourself fi tell uno this say. Me a plant my foot them firm right here so. And me nah go nowhere. And uno a go tired to see me face. Because understand this. A me name the official. A me name the official. And I am who I am. I want what I want. And your hate can never, will never, cannot ever tear me down. Ever tear me down. So try all you want, try. But I will overcome. I will be successful. Best believe that.